Alrighty, welcome ladies and gentlemen to this week's tutorial. Today we will be talking about sweeps. Oh, look at that fun sweep. Wow, it's two different ones I guess. Well, here's an extrusion here, and a sweep there. So yeah, we're gonna make stuff like this. It's gonna be really fun. I'll delete this one so we can get started. Okay, so we have this box, right, and we want to make a sweep on top of it. So we'll start by opening Architecture tab. We'll start by selecting the box we want to extrude off of, or sweep off of. We'll click Sweep. Then we want to set a plane. And I like to pick a plane. And I would pick this top one because that makes sense. And then we will, let's see, here we go. Oh. Okay, so we've set the plane. Now we want to sketch a path. This will open a view that will allow us to see the top of our square, our cube there. And let's make it, how about hexagon, just for fun. No, but yeah, hexagon. It's with 6, right? Okay, sweet. Now actually, first we need to give ourselves some points to base off of so we can see the center. Bam. Okay, where are we at? Hexagon, okay. Perfect. Delete these middle ones because they don't help us at all. Alright. Sweet. Now something I like to do is I don't like to have this point on when it's not like straight, you know? It's at like it's not straight this way and it's not straight that way, but it's at an angle. I find that kind of awkward to work with. So what we can do about it is just delete this and then delete that, and it'll go to that automatically. It'll just keep finding a place to connect to the house one, and then we can just kind of bring this back over there with a mirror command. Yeah. Okay, and then we'll need to open, let's see, I think that's the west view. Okay, west view, perfect, sweet. Now we will click check. Now we'll just start drawing the profile. Okay. Let's see, how do we want to do this? We can really do just about anything. It doesn't have to start in the middle. We can start it closer to here. And we can just kind of have fun with it, you know. Ooh, I would like that. That looks dangerous. Wow. And then let's make a loop here just for fun. Oh, not that one. Let's try this. No, that's not. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's looking really good. Whoops. Right, like that. Yeah. Then right here, up to like this. And how about like one more little fun? You know, let's do a little like. Oh, let's do one of these. Another one of these, but or two more. So it's like okay, I don't know how to flip it. I'll have to make a tutorial on that once I find out. Okay, let's forget that. It's just, yeah. And then we'll come down like this, all the way, bam, bam. So I think that'll look pretty groovy. Click green, check. It saves the path. Click check again, and bam, look, there we got it. Wow, that's trippy. I like that. So there you have it. That is how we model sweeps in Revit. So thank you very much. Tune in next time. Yeah.